Good morning, fellow ninjas. Welcome to Monday Morning with the Ninja Nation, where we talk about all things ninja, all the time. Last week, you worked on an area where you could improve technically. Did you have any success at all? As we said last week, let us know in the comments section below if anything good came of it. So now, let's look at paragraph 2 of Mastery by Stewart Emery. Remember, it's on the back of your installation manual. So many great thoughts in this paragraph that it's hard to pick one. But let's just start with the first sentence, which reads, "It's remarkable how much mediocrity we live with, surrounding ourselves with daily reminders that the average is the acceptable." The interesting part of this sentence to us is that he suggests that everything around you is really a daily reminder. A learning opportunity that leaps out is to take an inventory of everything in your life that you surround yourself with daily and make a mental or physical judgment on whether it reminds you to be excellent or whether it promotes you being mediocre. Here are some random possibilities. Ask yourself, where am I untidy? You don't have to be rich to be tidy. Is there a pile or 10 of papers, files, clothes, dishes, stuff anywhere that you've been saying to yourself, I have to do something about that, and you've let it slide? How about your paperwork in your real estate transactions? How about your car? It could be 25 years old and it could still be tidy. Here's an interesting one. How about your words, your language? Are you being mediocre or excellent there? Remember the power of words? Are you being mediocre about being on time? Again, these are just some possibilities, but the practice is just like this week. Make a promise to yourself that you will tackle just one thing this week that you would agree with yourself is reminding you that the average is acceptable. We can't say it too often. Small steps done consistently over time yield gigantic results. Give yourself the gift of compassion to work on baby steps rather than trying to climb Mount Everest this week. Do your friends in the Ninja Nation a favor and share the one thing you pledged to get done by next Monday in the comments below this video. You'll probably inspire someone. And until next week, TSW.